Hey guys, welcome back to Basically Joyful. Today I have a great hack for you. So I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get the best trifecta out of your shadow sense. So stick around to see more. Okay, so you have to watch quick. If you don't watch quick, you'll totally miss it. So here we go. First, I start off by putting my lightest color here and here. Boom. Then I put what would be my base before my contour color, so I guess your transition color here. I know this is looking crazy, but just trust me. And then you put your darkest color there. Are you ready for the trick? All right. So I start here. And then I go here to this. Right there. And then you just... Done. Isn't that crazy? One brush, 3 colors, and a great little eye look. So next I'm going to put my eyeliner on. I'm going to do this eye, then I'll put my eyeliner on and I'll show you another hack. Okay, so the next hack is if you want to deepen up your eye a little bit, but you always have a hard time trying to figure out where exactly that hood is. I'm using this itty bitty brush, Onyx Shadows, and I put it on a palette. Alright, so here's the trick. If you open your eyes, see, look, there's your line, and then you just take and you blend it. And that's how you get more depth on your eye makeup, exactly where it needs to be. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out my video today on how to get a quick and easy eye look. Make sure that you check out other videos and subscribe to our channel to see more.